Hi guys, beautiful sunny afternoon. So I'm just trying out some of my wooden automata that I converted to solar power. That one's going fine. That one, the rubber band's just come off. And the others need a bit of work. Yeah, I need a different rubber band for that one. That one's too loose. One thing I want to check is whether that smaller solar panel will run that one, because that one's plenty big enough. So the answer is yes. That one is running fine off the smaller panel. I don't think we can actually see, no, the sun's too bright to be able to see anything on the meter there. But yeah, that one's running. That one's running fine off the smaller solar panel. But he goes quite a bit quicker off the bigger panel. I can't test this one because I've taken the servo off it for another project, so we'll have to fix that separately. Kinetic art, solar powered. Nice bit of sunshine. All up together now. So the smaller solar panel, servo hot glued under there. And we're just catching the late evening sun. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.